Hey, what's going on, folks? This is Keith, and you're watching Barbour's Auto Help. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the brake lamp bulb on this '08 Honda Fit equipped with a 1.5 liter. Now, before we get started, let me go ahead and identify these bulbs for you here. On the very bottom here, you have the tail lamp / brake lamp bulb. Then you have your turn signal bulb right here. This is the backup lamp. And then you have your tail lamp bulb up here. We're going to be replacing this one, but these are similar. Okay, so to start out with, you're going to have to get into your cargo hold here. You have to open the hatch on the rear of the car, and then you see that little door right there? Your tail lamps are just behind that door. So you can use either a screwdriver or actually your ignition key and just pry right in between there. Oh, wow, that came off really easy, a lot easier than it's supposed to. Probably because one of my lock tabs is broken on there, but these are your little lock tabs that hold it in place. And then these right here, they kind of slide in like that. You see the little receptacles for those? They slide in like that right there, and then that pops back into place there. But let's go ahead and remove this. And then you'll notice you have on the back side here different connectors. All right, so the very bottom one, that's your brake lamp bulb. And what we're going to do, let's try to get this focused a little bit here. We're going to grab it with our hands, and we're going to grab the back side of the connector here, and we're going to twist it counterclockwise and pull right out just like that. And there's your bulb. Now these other two sockets up here, these go to the turn signal bulb and your backup lamp, and then above that even you have your tail lamp bulb. So once you have your socket out and your bulb out, you just take and pull the bulb right out of the socket just like that. And before you put your new bulb in, it never hurts to put a little bit of electrical grease inside the contacts there, or inside that connector there. Never a bad idea. I don't have any, so I'm not going to be using it. Now, this is the bulb that you need. This is 7443, and this particular brand here is Sylvania. Sylvania is not a sponsor. I bought this with my own money. I think they're a fine bulb, so that's why I'm using it. I'll put a link down in the description to this bulb here. You're welcome to check that out on Amazon. Well, you'll take your new bulb and simply place the bulb in the socket, just like that. Place your socket and bulb back into the tail lamp assembly. And you got to find the right way that it fits in there. When you have it keyed correctly, it'll fit flushly with the tail lamp assembly, and then you turn it clockwise until it clicks just like that. And there you go. You go ahead and put your cover back on, and that's it. Now, of course, guys, if you have to do the right side, it's very similar. There's your door for the right side there. Same process. Now, at this point here, guys, you probably want to get a partner to go up in the driver's seat there and turn your tail lamps on and hit the brake pedal a couple of times. Make sure that your bulb is actually working like it's supposed to. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, comment down below. Also, please read the entire description down below this video before you apply any of this knowledge. There may be some things I need to clarify. That's where I do that. Also, guys, if this was especially helpful to you and you feel like supporting the channel, I offer channel memberships. It's $2 a month, and what you'll get with that are priority responses to comments. I certainly do appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.